Well, looky here. This is my first time seeing hogmaws by Aunt Bessie. They supposed to be pre-cleaned and pre-washed, but of course we got to clean and wash them. But I thought these was interesting, and I'm gonna make some. Look, if you don't like hogmaws, keep it scrolling. We ain't even finna get into it because I like them. I'm gonna show you how I do mine. So let's start with what it is. It's the hog stomach, and this is what it looks like coming out of the pack. So what I'm doing is just looking at it and inspecting. What you want to take off is that fat. That's what I'm touching on now. And any other foreign object like food, because this is the stomach. So if you got corn in there, whatever, that's what you want to get out. Now for me, I went ahead and I used some shears to do mine. And baby, them were brand new shears from the Dollar Tree, and they gave me a run for my money. You got to hold them a certain way, but once I figured it out, I was good to go. So I'm going to take off all that fat. Once getting all the fat out, I washed my hogmaws. I did not want to debate the best way to wash it: lemon, lime, baking soda, Alka-Seltzer, Pepsi, whatever you wash your meat with. Wash your meat, okay? After you get that fat out. So once I did that, I'm cutting up my hogmaws. I do a strip, and then I cut across to make it bite size. And once we finish that, we're ready to get started on this Insta Pot. Okay, so I cut up some peppers and some onions. I layered in a layer of hogmaws, put some of the cut up vegetables. Then I used some seasoning. I used garlic powder, onion powder, soul food seasoning, a little tony sacharons, and some peppers. Then I put in the rest of the hogmaws, some vegetables again, and I season again. And I add some red pepper flakes this time, not too many. Put in a little chicken broth, and I set my timer for 45 minutes after stirring everything together. After the 45 minutes, I release the pressure. Then I'm going to add some lifted onion soup mix. I use the golden onion. This is going to give you that gravy. This is going to kick up that taste. This is going to make it magnificent. So I'm going to stir in 3 packets of mine, and then I'm going to put it on 15 minutes, and I'm going to let it cook for another 15 minutes. Okay, this is the final product. You do not have to put this much liquid in there. I put that much because I will be freezing mine. I cannot eat all of that food. But believe me when I tell you that Lipton onion soup is going to take it to the next level. And here it is when I plated it up. Yep, paper plates. The maid is off today. That's me. I didn't want to wash any more dishes than I had to.